our backyard that was tore up for the septic tank. It's all the way over here. The boys running, doing what boys do.
Run.
Easy.
Run, Wyatt. Go back here.
All the way over here to the house.
Run, Wyatt. Run.
It's about 30 feet of crust. Go easy, Elijah.
Hi, baby.
Hi. Fig tree. Back past the fig tree, almost to the pear tree. My little hidey hole back here. I like my little hidey hole. So yesterday they replaced the septic tank in the backyard. No more holes in the backyard. And since the backyard, like half the backyard is tore up, I'm thinking instead of doing a garden in buckets this summer, we're just gonna plant right in the ground, which would be a first time for me in, what was it, almost 10 years? At least 10 years. And it'll be a first time for me to plant a garden in sand, because we have sand here up north. We had dirt down south. We had dirt. I miss dirt. We have sand here. So I don't know where exactly I'm going to put the garden yet, but it's going to go in the ground where they tore up. So, and I'm hoping that the pear tree and the fig tree, well, more so the pear tree, because the fig tree does well every year. The pear tree does well again this year, because last year was the first time since moving here that the pear tree actually gave us like a wheelbarrow full of pears. So I'm gonna start working on getting seeds as soon as the stores have them. But I want okra, cucumbers, zucchini, tomatoes, carrots, peppers, so I want all kinds of things. I don't know if I'm gonna get mint and plant it in the ground, or just, you know, keep it in the pots, but we'll see it, because I kind of want to take the mint with me whenever I move, because we're still renting this house. So, but today's one of those sunshiny days where it's nice and warm, and even though it's beginning of February, we're in the south, and it's 67 degrees, which might be the warmest day we've had this year. So the boys are outside, and we're just boys are outside running around while it's dumping water out of the bottle that I gave him. So yeah, that's all I got for today. Peace.